Friends, today we are going to start the very first unit of advanced surveying, that is a plane table surveying. As far as in the previous semester we have studied different types of survey, and now in the advanced survey we are going to study the plane table surveying. Plane table surveying, basically it is a graphical method of surveying in which the fieldwork and plotting is carried out simultaneously. Up till now in the compass survey we are carrying out surveying and recording that data into the field book, but in the plane table surveying the collection of data as well as its plotting is carried out simultaneously in the field with the help of the plane table surveying. That's why it is a very different method, and you can check your field work at the field only by the plane table surveying. Particularly plane table surveying is adapted for small web mapping. It is ideally situated for a plain ground, and it is used to prepare the different types of maps. In the picture you can see it is nothing but a table, a very plain table of standard dimension is mounted on the tripod stand, and you can see here, as the tripod stand we have used for dumpy level, we have used for compass, the similar tripod stand is there. A special arrangement is there provided below the tripod stand. A wing nut is provided. With the wing nut, a table is mounted on a tripod stand. A basis component part of the plane table surveying is a plane table with a tripod stand having the standard dimension. You can see here in the picture the tripod stand with the plane table. It is nothing but a drawing board which is mounted on the plane table of standard size. The another accessories which are required along with the plane table are, the first main accessory is a alidad. Alidad is nothing but a metallic rule, we can say it as a scale, provided with the two sides, eye sight and object sight. A vertical eye sight is with a vertical slit, and at the another end object sight with a crosshair. For sighting the object we have to place the plane table on the we have to place the alidad on the plane table, and after bisecting the object through the eye sight and the crosshair and the object, you have to draw the ray. Basically this is used for bisecting the object and plotting the rays, which is called as alidad. You can see in the picture, this is the sight vein, this is the object vein, and fiducial edge of alidad which is chamfered, which having a sloping shape on one side, which is used for plotting the rays. This is the figure of alidad. Another type of alidad is there. You can see the another picture of alidad over here. Now the another type of alidad is here, that is called as telescopic alidad, which is of, you can see here the telescope is mounted, and along with that the chamfer edge and the scale, metal scale, instead of that eye sight and object sight, here the telescope is provided. Another accessories which are required for the plane table surveying are spirit level for leveling the plane table. You can see the picture, a bubble tube is there which we have used in our dumpy level, that is nothing but a spirit level for leveling the plane table. The next accessory, you can see another picture here, the trough compass. Trough compass we have seen in the prismatic compass, but in here to mark the north direction of the particular work which you are going to carry out in the field, to locate the north, the trough compass is used. Another use of trough compass is there, we can see that later. Another accessory is a plumbing fork, as usual for centering the instrument exactly over the station. A plumbing fork or U fork is used. You can see here in the picture, this is the plumbing fork. You can see here for with a thread a plumb is suspended and a U frame which is here on the plane table to transfer the grind point on the paper or to transfer the paper point on the ground to exactly mark the station on the paper drawing sheet. The plumbing fork is used. There are different methods of plane tabling, but today we will stop over here. And when we use all these accessories in the field, we can, after handling all these accessories, the main course outcome of this particular studying this plane table surveying to handle efficiently the plane table surveying for different purposes to achieve the course outcome of this particular subject. Thank you.